All right, guys, so I have both watches here next to each other. The Series 4 with cellular and the Series 3 with cellular. And you can tell right there but which one is which. Of course, the Series 3 has the red dot on the crown, and the Series 3 has the red ring around the crown, which I like this a lot better than this big giant red dot that just was a sore spot to me. So major differences between the two watch is that the Series 3 has the S3 dual core, and the Series 4 has the S4 64-bit dual core. So it is a lot faster in response time. You can just tell here just by basically opening up any app. We're gonna go ahead and open some apps up here. Let's just say we're gonna open the Messages app, and you could see how much fluent the Watch 4 with the Series 3 actually runs. We'll do some music apps, and each one of these just runs a lot faster. And of course, the Series 4 opens up a lot faster with that faster processing chip than the Series 3. Keep doing some other apps here. Just kind of give you guys let's do this map. We'll do maps here. And again, the Series 4 just loads up a lot faster just overall. I mean, if we're gonna let's go to the Starbucks app here. And again, even though I press the Starbucks app quicker on the Series 3, the Series 3 is still thinking about opening, while the Series 4 already opened and it's ready to go, pretty much telling me to sign into the app already. So you could just tell that small difference just in those categories, which watch is faster. Other than that, of course, the Series 4 has 5.0 Bluetooth compared to the Series 3, which is only a 4.2 Bluetooth, which is upgraded Bluetooth. Now, the speakers on the Series 4 are louder. You can tell here the big difference. The speakers on the Series 3, those were the speakers. This is pretty much the sound speaker right there, and the speaker where Siri would talk from, and it had the noise canceling speaker on the same side. What they did with the Series 4 was they put the noise canceling on the one side and made the speakers a lot bigger and put them all on the other side. So the speakers are in separate sides. One thing I do like a lot more about the Series 4 than the Series 3 is the back of it. The heart rate monitor and the sensors, the back of it is actually ceramic crystal. The whole back is ceramic with the crystal sapphire glass in the middle, which the Series 3 was aluminum with the center was the ceramic crystal. The weight difference between both watches, not big difference. The Series 3 was at 34.9 grams what it weighed in. So I mean, it was a little bit lighter than this one, but honestly, I don't feel a difference on my wrist. To be honest, the difference is very minimal between both watches. And just going back again, basically to the actual size of it, 42.5 millimeters for the Apple Watch Series 3, 44 millimeters even for the new Apple Watch Series 4. And now we're going to go back to basically the actual apps themselves. And again, just opening everything is so fluent on the actual Apple Watch, the new Series 4, than it was on the old Apple Watch. I mean, look how quickly the Apple Watch just responds. Get you guys a better shot here of everything. There's your maps. That was actually pretty quick on both watches. Let's try so let's see something that would be online here. Let's try the NBA app. Throw that up there. And we'll see how quickly the Series 4 actually opens up. Well, I guess it opened up. I guess it had nothing in there. Let's see here. Let's try Uber. Where is that Uber app? There you go. It's right there. And again, the Series 4 opens up a lot quicker. I mean, you could just tell how much quicker with that new S4 chip this thing is opening. Let's try the Apple Store. Again, it takes a while for that Series 3 to open up. You just saw that. I mean, it's instantaneously when you open these apps up here. Allstate app. There you go. And again, I don't have anything set right now for any of these two here going. No cellular connection set on any one of them yet, so that's why you're seeing all these no connections on there. But I'm just opening up just to show you how quick it opens up, how fluent everything moves with the Series 4. It's a lot more fluent, and the screen itself is a lot bigger, so it's easy to touch the right app instead of messing up like that and touching the wrong app like it was on the Series 3. It's a lot quicker to open these up on that Series 4. So that's just like a quick review on the actual Series 4 between the Series 3, and just to give you guys an idea on everything, how pretty much it looks. Again, if you guys want some in-depth, you know, there's other videos out on YouTube that give you more in-depth look into these, and you can look at those videos. But this is just an everyday usage on how these two watches fare against each other and why I actually upgraded on the watch. Again, I am a big Apple sheep, so I will upgrade every year just for the slightest differences. But this watch, I mean, it's just, just the quality looks a lot better. I actually enjoy it. You can look at the backs of both of them. Again, the Series 4 has a sapphire, glass on the back, the sapphire glass with the actual ceramic backing, where the other one just has a sapphire in the middle and the aluminum on the back. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick kind of review and glance between the Apple Watch Series 3 and the Apple Watch 4. So I hope you guys liked the video. Again, I don't go in depth with the reviews on, little bitty specs of, how many gigahertz or any of that stuff like that. I give you guys straightforward reviews on everyday usage, that things that I'm interested in. So I want to go in a video and look at something and just get the gist of everything. How big is it? How much it weighs? And, is it going to be worth the money spending and upgrading from wherever I'm at? So that's the type of videos you'll get from me. Again, if you guys like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button on the videos. Watch other videos. And if you want to see more videos like this, please share. And again, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate all the support. We'll see you next time.